gonna throw some snow.
Abby, come here. Don't throw snow on my camera.
I'll just throw it on your jacket.
Okay.
And I throw two on your pants.
Ow! No! Abby.
A big one, not on your camera, on your pants. Cat, yeah, Mom.
Cold. That's cold on my leg. Where are you going?
I'm trying to get all the snow out of the garage.
Where did Abby go? Oh, there she is. Hi, baby. No, 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 no. Don't go in the street. No, no, no. Uh-oh. Hey. That's the street. You can't go on the street. Gotta stay over here. Abby.